Welcome to TechLipper channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to fix camera not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now at first, just go to your search and search for settings and open up setting from the best match. And then just go to privacy from here. Then from the left hand menu, just go under app permission and select camera. Then from here, make sure that camera access is changed to turned on. And also make sure allow apps to access your camera is also turned on. Then from here, you're gonna see all the apps that are trying to access your camera. Make sure you give permission to only those that you want to use your camera at. And after that, scroll all the way down and make sure allow desktop apps to access your camera is also turned on. And after that, your camera should work. And even after it doesn't work, just go to device manager, just search device manager here. From best matches, just open it up. And here you'll see your camera driver over here. Just right click on it and click on install device, and then just click on action, and from action you'll see scan for hardware changes. Just click on this, then it's gonna reinstall the camera driver for you. Then try again and it should work. But even after that, if it doesn't work, what you have to do is physically go on your laptop and see for a camera lid cover. That's basically the privacy protector of your camera. Make sure the slider is not closed. If it's closed, just open it and your camera should work. And basically that is how to fix camera not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.